How to import Google contacts to your Android phone. If your contacts are already saved to your Google account, you can easily sync them to your device in just a few steps. First, open the Settings app on your phone and go to Passwords and Accounts, Accounts, or Users and Accounts, depending on your Android version. Next, tap your Google account. If you haven't added one yet, tap Add Account. Choose Google and sign in with the account that contains your contacts. Once you're signed in, tap Account Sync or Sync Account. Make sure the Contacts option is turned on, then tap Sync Now if that option is available. Now, open the Contacts app. Your Google contacts should begin appearing automatically after the sync is complete. And that's it. You've successfully imported Google Contacts to your Android phone, making it easy to access your contacts across all your devices. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more quick and easy Android tips.